Hello, everybody. Day 10 of 30 days, 30 terminologies. We made it to day 10, 20 more days to go. Thank you for staying. Today, I'll be talking about big data. Yesterday, we talked about data. Today, I'll be taking it a step further into big data. We have structured data set and unstructured data set. Basically, structure, just as it sounds, it has structure. Unstructured can be anything. And when we start talking about unstructured data set, we start talking about big data. Big data is a very large, complex data set that cannot be handled by our traditional databases or data tools like Excel. Now, even relational databases cannot handle this kind of data set. We are talking about, think about as a librarian, you are asked to put on a single shelf all the books in the world. How do you arrange that? You need a process, a system that could store all of these things. So we have big data sets. Think about the internet, the Facebook, all of the informations on Facebook. You have videos, pictures, likes, share, all of those things are data sets. Now, you can talk about big data without talking about the 5 V's. The 5 V's contains volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value. So I'll pick each of them and just give you a small explanation of what they mean. Volume is how large the amount of data sets that we get. That's the volume, because it's a large data set. So we're talking about the volume. The second thing is the velocity. Think about one major example would be if you're on a live stream and those comments start coming in. There's so much. That's the fast rate in which this kind of spaces receive data set. Think about Twitter. How many people tweet in a minute? How many data sets does Twitter has in just 1 minute? Think about those are voluminous data sets, and the velocity in which they come in is very, very high. The third point here is veracity. Veracity is how truthful those data is. How truthful those data is. Can we make meaning out of this data set? Can we make meaning out of this data set? How truthful it is. The fourth one here is value. Value is out of this data set that we are talking about. Can we make meaning out of it? Value. I think I missed the second one, which is variety. Yeah, I remember. Variety, the different types of data sets that we have in the internet. Imagine, think about Facebook again. You see how the data comes in: pictures, images, short video, long video, so many different data types. So, and they are coming big, right? So that is what the 5 V's are. So to summarize this, we talked about what big data is. Think about big data as a very, very large data set that cannot be managed in our traditional way. And it has 5 V's, 5 major characteristics: volume, variety, velocity, veracity, and value. Those are the 5 V's. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you in day 11, where we talk about supervised learning. See you tomorrow. Bye.